How can I find my art style? I think this is a question that most of us think about and don't really know how to answer or find the answer for. Some say that you just need to practice drawing and painting and eventually you'll find your art style. But I'm here to tell you that there's actually a way to intentionally and deliberately work on finding and developing your art style very quickly. So the first step is to find art pieces and artists that you like and like their style. It doesn't even have to be something that you can draw or paint right now, but it's just generally paintings that you like, and it can be digital or traditional, so it can even be different than the medium that you use. And part of the reason that the medium doesn't matter is that you might like some things from a style that you can incorporate in your own regardless of what kind of medium it's in. And then if there's a specific artist that you like, try to save a few of their paintings to look at later, but try not to limit yourself to one artist or one kind or one type of style. Try and find paintings that you like and save them for now. Once you have a collection of artists and paintings that you like, start looking at them closely and try to understand what do you like about them specifically. For example, you can look at Sam's drawings and paintings and see that you like the way he draws the eyes and the facial features. You like the stylization, or maybe you like the colors that he uses, the bright and saturated colors. Or you can look at Wolof and see that you like the contrast in saturation and the colors that he uses, or the way he paints the focal point versus everything else. Or you can look at Guiz's painting and like the general dark color and the dark theme versus the bright contrast that they have in their painting. You can also compare realistic versus stylization of the different artists and see what are the things that you really enjoy or that you really like. So once you have this collection and you have identified some of the things that you like or dislike from the different styles, I think now is the next step where you'll actually learn a lot and you'll actually be able to start developing your style effectively. Do a few studies from these artists or paintings that you like. Make sure that you do a variety. So don't only pick one style or one painting or one artist, because if you do, then your style will just replicate theirs. And then you won't have your own style, it would just be a duplicate of theirs. So if you're doing the studies from different artists, you will start to actually learn more and understand what you like even better. And you understand their style and the different things that you like even more. When doing the studies, I recommend doing a copy of one of their paintings, but also do another painting of your own using their style. And the reason for that is that you learn how to implement some of these artistic choices that they were in the original into your own painting, and you'll be able to understand it much better. Now, as you learn these new techniques and understand other artist styles, you'll slowly start to incorporate some of the things that you learn and like into your own paintings. As you do this more and more, you will see that not only you have improved your skills significantly, and you have also learned new techniques, but you have also developed your own style. So I'm doing this myself and trying to study from different artists, and I have done quite a few and started to learn some of the things that I like and I don't like, and I'm slowly developing my art style. Now, if you're struggling with rendering and don't know how to use brushes and don't know how to render to develop the artistic style that you want, you might want to watch this video where I show you the only two brushes that you need and how to use them effectively.